getting out, I'm moving on.
Chips and grab and go.
I'm running out of room.
That's what I was saying. I don't think we have room for 20 cups.
Yeah, we do.
You just gotta do rows of 5.
Rows of 5.
Yeah, but my end, I still. Oh,
Math.
is someone almost done? They can start getting out the onions.
We got onions. Did you?
Well, everyone likes sour cream and no chili, right?
No, we were. When I went by, you weren't over there. Ooh.
Onions.
Did you get smashed in the face with an onion?
Not big on onions.
Well, this one's
You
definitely.
know, this is the onion
That's
one.
tomatoes.
Oh, those are tomatoes.
This one's definitely
Smell the
chicken.
onion.
What kind is this
I
one?
can smell the onion.
They're all.
in those
So
tomatoes.
these 2 end ones are chicken,
Chicken.
and the rest are bean chili. Bean chili and I guess meat chili.
Beef.
Oh, those onions are getting my eyeballs.
Making your eyes water.
Cheese.
Did you and
Yes.
end up emptying her bag?
I brought 2 bags. She brought 2 bags because we just wanted to make sure.
I only have this one. And then these 2. Well, I'm gonna just stick with the 1 bag for now. That's all.
For what?
I only have 1 small one.
That's fine. I would use it for the cheese.
Yeah.
I'll just use my hand.
Those onions.
That's not even onions. That's onions.
I love
Tomatoes.
onions. What's that? Oh, onions. Oh, okay.
Tomatoes.
Should we keep?
Did you bring one, Leanne?
I did. And I'm not telling you what
No,
it
I'm
is.
just. I was just kidding when I said I would got paid. Yeah.
I'm not telling you because,
Is this for the double cheese?
yes. That's a great
Are these
idea.
cheesecake thingies?
I think they're just cupcakes. They might be
They're cheesecake.
thingies. Okay,
Yeah.
they're cheesecake.
Patrick's mother makes those.
This needs to come off.
Can't do
You
that.
can put that
You
lid.
can, that lid goes down. The lid goes down.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, that one goes. I thought you meant the
Technology.
Fancy.
them onions.
Who made those?
Yeah, take the lid
Did someone make those?
Yeah, the
What, these?
cornbread is Selena.
Yeah, Celine.
Oh. She made them. Oh, guys.
Damn. Lined up already.
Ready to taste that Mexican chili.
I know, that's what I told him.
I was like, we're all ready to taste
He's not
that.
Mexican.
I know. But everyone always associates me with Mexican chili.
We're gonna do the samples first, and then they can come back and get their
Get
bowl.
their mango chili.
We wanna get the
Okay, so now I want you to bob for an apple in that face.
We need to say save your spoons. Don't throw your spoons.
Okay, I got the 5 chili samples, the chili samples, sorry. And I have the taste testing. And there's numbers on the bottom of the cup. And I will write my number there and place my vote. It was a hard decision, but I went with number 5. That was my favorite. I'm not sure who made it, but it was spicy and chicken. Delicious. Now I got my bowl full.
Miss Lisa. You want to go grab it and I can just look at this? Well, we're just going to make sure they all come It's like one. Were you Alyssa's secret Valentine? It's hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Oh, hot chocolate.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You should have guessed by the dino.
I don't give a shit, but it was actually more about.
Elliot.
Okay, that's just saying.
You call me walk away.
I did not.
No, paper, my favorite. You did really good. Yo, paper, my favorite. Really, really good. It was great. It made me happy every super Oh my gosh, there's more paper. Oh my god.
Oh, just blue. Okay.
I was crazy.
a square.
A new picture frame for
I
you.
love squares. Oh my gosh, alright, I'm never working again. I'm just gonna play darts at my desk all day. Oh my gosh, there's so much more in here. Sour Creations. A Dr. Pepper.
I got you just candy and a Squirtle. Yeah. It's funny. I was like, only a dude would get that.
And then I was like, what is it's cool, because like sometimes I don't know what. I'm just gonna go for it. This is called the Alien Chris Brown. I don't know who got me.
I know who Elliot's is.
I don't know. I really
Yes,
don't know.
Elliot, hurry, go. You got 5 seconds.
Trista?
No, Tristan didn't put
It's Tristan Nutt.
I don't know.
Tristan Nutt.
Huh? Dang it, Trista. Yeah, I have no idea. This was about as eye-opening as I was hoping. I don't know who got me.
I do.
I have no idea. Was it you, Leanne? Hey.
You're welcome. I had a hard time.
He tried to get me to, hey, Leanne, he wanted me to tell him who it was that left him that there the other day. I was like,
Stop, I have a date tomorrow.
what is that? A pen?
It's like a...
Just a little toy? Punching Marvin? No, wait a minute. I was going to say.
Oh, it is a pen. I
Yeah.
don't care about the pen. I just want to do this all day. See, sometimes he alternates, sometimes he just goes for it.
Some napkins.
Oh, yeah.
Are these like brownies? Oh, they cookies on top.
You voting, Miss Dot?
No, they ain't even know.
You is voting. Where the tickets at?
They didn't give me
Which one do you like the best so far?
right here.
Number one? Yeah.
Man, me and my mom. You gotta cook. Make me think my mom was here. I said, man, I don't know who made
My
that
favorite was number 5.
You said it tastes like mama.
And I love
Tastes
those,
like Mama,
I
I'm
love those little corn muffins too.
one. It tastes like mama. I'm like,
Oh, that's smart. That's smart. I'm about to grab it.
I mean, you're on side. You're okay.
Yeah. That was Miss Selena.
The cornbread. Sorry. They're perfect size.
yeah.
I ate 4 of those cornbread muffins. They were that good to me.
Who makes these?
You squeeze in
Oh,
between.
these are good.
I had like,
Katrina made the turkeys.
oh, those are good too.
Sorry.
Here you go, Miss Dot.
Which one you like? No, you know what? Let me not be.
Two more than one. These
Oh,
are good.
good.
Yeah. I don't know what she called them. Cookies or something she called.
I thought they were brownies.
No, these are so good. Give me another one. I don't need all these sweets.
Did you try the cornbread muffins? Those were good too.
They were?
I had like 4 of them.
Are they sweet?
Yeah.
I eat they got sweet.
I like some sweet cornbread.
Me too.
Yeah.
Let me go put back.
No, don't do that. I know, I'm sweating.
Which one did you vote for, Trista? Which one did you vote for?
I think the one on the end.
Number 5?
I think.
That's the one I voted for too. It was really good.
They're all pretty good though.
They were all good. It was hard to do.
Make one guess, and then I'll tell you.
Okay.
Make a guess, and I'll tell you.
I know it's not you.
Everybody knows whose mine was.
Trista Nutt. That's who it was. That was who it was. Trista.
Trista did participate. Trista doesn't like to buy people stuff.
I'm always afraid they'll be disappointed by what I got them. So.
Well.
No, I didn't. I didn't participate. Yeah.
Okay, that was my guess.
That
was my next guess.
Oh, So you put the ticket in the one you like the best. And you count the tickets. Okay, that's what I want. Yes.
So, Emily, you made chili, right?
Me?
Oh, I thought you made some.
Now I brought cheese and chippies.
I was going to ask if you voted for yourself.
Even if I made chili, I wouldn't make it often.
Leanne, you made chili?
Yeah.
Did you vote for yourself?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm very positive because I didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
I didn't even taste test it before.
Which one was yours? Tell me.
No.
Huh?
Was not here to accept her award, so I'm gonna put it in her puka. But that was basically Miss Lisa's chili. So Miss Lisa's chili won the cook off, and you know she won her little nice little 25 Amazon gift card. So. Hey, Miss Lisa, you're not here though. Yeah.
Oh, well, good. See, I didn't get it.
Yeah. Everyone did a great job. There was no complaints about anyone's chili. Everyone. You got what?
I got food too fast.
You better go walk it off.
What? Yep.
Yes, Morgan's is runner up. Yes.
Yeah, so Morgan's was second,
Yes.
Alyssa's was third.
Yeah, it was a real close vote.
That's our top three.
Which chili was
So the lesson to be learned is chicken chili is the
It
one.
was like a real close vote.
They both had chicken.
That's what I'm saying.
I asked Bailey for another ticket so I could vote for them.
Yeah.
Apparently chicken chili is the thing.
Chicken chili is good, y'all.
I'm gonna be honest with you, in all honesty, it was like 5 and 4, and then like the rest had like 2 or 3 votes or 4 votes. Yeah, but the rest, most of the stuff was in 5 and 4.
That's good.
So it was really good. It was really good.
Did someone supervise the vote count?
Yeah, chicken chili number 2.
I hope LeBron is gone or whatever this was.
I bet there's
There's some up there.
Fox was right, have no regret.